Welcome to Treasures and Adventures. Today I'm out in a nature park. It's called Key Vista, I think. It's up in Holiday, Florida. And I'm out here seeing what I can find. And it is very cool and windy. I think it's 57 degrees out, but the windshield is 47. So, and I'm in shorts, of course. But let's go see what we find. Well, you can see some of this limestone rocks here. More than likely they might have been brought in here. It looks like there's some way down there too. It's pretty cool. I bet the fishing's good. You can see right down in there, that's a tortoise hole. That's his home. And if we're lucky, we might see one, but I don't know. It's pretty cold. I'm seeing what looks like a mound, possibly here. I know there's a lot of Indians in this area. You can see the little pathway here where possibly raccoons and coyote go down in there and den. I don't know if you can see all the trees are leaning to the right there. That's because the Gulf winds come through this area and pushes them that way. Very cool how they have benches set up out here. And here's some more limestone. I'm pretty sure this was brought in. Probably just mined and brought in here. There's a dock over there. Yes. This is banked. Look how cute that is. That's adorable.
Thank you.
Okay, beyond this river out there, you can see the Gulf and how choppy it is. I'll see if I can get closer and get you a better picture. And here is the Gulf of Mexico. Choppy and windy. Wouldn't want to be on a boat today, I'd be getting seasick. Wow, a new lookout tower. Let's go see what we see. Wow, look at that. It's like the Tarpon Springs power plant. Wow, what a view. It's so windy, I'm debating these trees and whether they're widow makers. Hopefully not. Spooky. Making sure I'm not stepping on a rattlesnake here. Those little pygmy rattlesnakes, you can't even see them. Seems like there's a lot of trees down. I'm smelling something dead over here. It's pretty nasty. Don't see anything though. There's these little birds flying around. I'm not sure you can see them. And they're all like finches, green. Pretty cool. You can see they have no digging allowed because there's Indian artifacts out here, which that's a good thing that they're protecting them. Otherwise it'd just be all dug up. I had a good time hiking today. I hope you enjoyed watching. And don't forget to get outside and live.